Make every day a vacation with this Beach House Stenciled Throw Pillow project from DesignerStencils.com. First, turn your stencil over and spray the underside with Repositionable Spray Adhesive. After 30 seconds or so, place the stencil with the chosen design centered on the pillow sham. Press the stencil all around to ensure good adhesion. You might want to put something rigid, in this case a cutting mat, inside the sham to make the surface a little stiffer beneath the stencil. Thoroughly shake your bottle of soft blue Americana acrylic paint prior to pouring out a small amount onto a paper plate. Next, add an equal amount of DecoArt Fabric Medium and mix completely using your stencil brush. Remove excess paint from the brush by swirling it on a stack of paper towels. Too much paint on the brush may result in blotchiness or bleeding underneath the stencil. Apply the color using numerous light coats. Reload the brush and paint as needed. Once finished, carefully peel away the stencil. To protect your new decorative pillow, lay a piece of scrap fabric over top and iron the sham using heat but not steam. Now you're ready to add the pillow insert. Your new throw pillow is now complete and ready to make any day a day at the beach. For more tips and ideas, visit DesignerStencils.com today.